Ever wished you could prank your friends with a hilarious girl voice in your WhatsApp voice messages? First, let's download a voice changer app. Open the Google Play Store and search for Voice Changer with Effects. Look for the app with the microphone icon and the name Voice Changer with Effects by Bavio. Tap Install and wait for the download to finish. Once installed, open the Voice Changer with Effects app. You'll see a list of voice effects. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Helium. Tap on the Helium effect. Now, you should see a big red record button at the bottom. Tap the record button and start speaking your message. Remember to speak clearly. When you're done, tap the record button again to stop. The app will automatically apply the Helium effect to your recording. Tap the play button to preview your altered voice. If you like it, tap the share icon. A menu will pop up with different sharing options. Select WhatsApp from the list. This will open your WhatsApp contacts. Choose the contact you want to send the voice message to. The audio file will be attached to the chat. Tap the send button, and you're done. Your friend will receive your girl voice message. Have fun pranking.